Okay, so here's what it will look like, and this is the pin you're wanting to remove. So you really need something with an angle to get at it. I did it with a regular screwdriver. Ideally, you want an angled pick, and you're just going to kind of pull outward. Might have to finesse it a little bit, but it just pops right out. And then you just pull it right off, and then the rest is just going to be the screws. Okay, so we got the panel off. The hardest part was getting this up. You kind of have to lift up from here. You've got a pop pin that goes right here, pop pin that goes right here, one right here, here, and here, and those are the two screws that we took out just a little bit ago, the T15s. But other than that, it was relatively easy. The plastic tabs being real old, I did break a couple of those. I wouldn't worry too much about those. You can replace them pretty easy. As you can see here, they just kind of clip out. So I can replace those if I want to. I don't know if I'm going to really worry about that. The screws seem to do just fine enough job anyways. So there's a total of 5 screws you'll have to remove. You'll need a T15 and a screwdriver. There's a close-up for you just in case you're wondering what a T15 looks like.